Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia Tigray is that Ethiopian Human Rights Commission says the soldier killed the civilian in Axum. The Right Commission spoke to dozens of witnesses who said Eritrean troops shot unarmed civilians and fired on those who tried to collect their bodies. Ethiopian Human Rights Commission says Eritrean soldier killed several civilians in a November massacre in war-torn Tigray that may amount to crimes against humanity. The finding released on Wednesday by the government-affiliated but independent Ethiopian Human Rights Commission corroborate separate investigations by Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch into the same killing in the historic town of Axum. Information collected during this parliamentary investigation confirmed that during the 2 days of November 28 and 29 November, grave violations of human rights were committed and that in Axum over 100 residents were killed by Eritrean soldiers, the commission said. As these grave human rights violations may amount to crimes against humanity or war crimes, it underscores the need for a comprehensive investigation into overall human rights situation in Tigray region. The latest report comes after Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed admitted for the first time that Eritrean troops had crossed the border into Tigray and suggested they may have been involved in abuses against civilians. Ethiopia and Eritrea had for months flatly denied the involvement of Asmara's forces in the conflict and described reports of their alleged atrocities in the region as misinformation and propaganda. The EHRC conducted a fact-finding mission to Axum, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in late February and early March after earlier attempts to reach the town were impeded by the security situation. The Right Commission spoke to dozens of witnesses have said Eritrean troops shot unarmed civilians and fired on those who tried to collect their bodies. Eritrean soldiers went door to door asking women where their husbands or children were, telling them to bring their sons out if they have any, the report stated. Corpses were left in the streets for days, some being dismembered by animals, witness said, like Amnesty and HRW, which separately reported hundreds butchered in Axum. The EHRC could not provide an exact death toll. The commission was still verifying more victims and investigation other alleged atrocities in areas around Axum. So viewers, this is the latest update about Ethiopia crisis. Thanks for watching.